You're looking for how to do a quick neon effect in After Effects CC? Look no further. Straight in. Blank background, nothing added. New layer, text. Add some text, whatever you want to say. I'm just going to put neon for now. And looks pretty cool. The way you do this outline effect, up in the top right corner here, just change the fill to 0 and then add an outline color, whatever you want it to be. And then here you can change the width of that outline. So at the moment I've got it set to about 6 point. Next, I'm going to add some glows to this. A lot of glows. So I'll add one just to add that highlight of a glow, then another one on top. And then I'm going to change the radius of this one to make it emerge wider. So makes it glow. That's pretty simple, self-explanatory. Next, I'm going to add a new layer, make it a shape layer, and then I'm just going to add a huge ellipse about this big, add some Gaussian blur to it. When I say some, I mean a lot, so about 600. As you can see, it completely blows the circle out, feathers the edge completely. Stick this behind, and then layer style, blending mode, change that to a soft light. As you can see, it now makes the background look like it's glowing more. What you do here then, if you want to change the color of the text, add layer styles, color overlay. See, it's gone red, but also glow has gone red. So this makes it pretty easy. What you want to do then, just change this red to whatever red you want it to be, whatever color you want it to be. So I'm going to change it to pink. Pretty cool. I dig that. Same here. If you want this ellipse to be any other color, you can just change it to the color you want it to be. So I'm just going to say, I kind of want it to be pink as well. Just changes the hue slightly, makes it a little bit nicer. And now if you want it to flicker, like I showed you earlier, all you need to do is keyframe this color. As you'll see, when I change this next frame to black, the glow disappears completely. There's no glow. Can't glow black. It just cuts it out. So what you want to do then is add a couple more keyframes over the cross and add this pink. I'll see next keyframe over Ctrl-V. Just makes it glow like that. Flickers out once. What you can do then, copy these keyframes many times as you want. Then change the width of them. So you can make these come really close together to each other or come really far away. See then, glows and flickers. It's so easy. Pretty quick, pretty simple. Neon effect in After Effects. How I do it, if there's another way, let me know. Yeah, that's about it. See you next time. Thanks for the support. Peace.